So good evening everyone. Today we are at Mallanna Gutta. It is wonderful and historical place. We reached here with our NSS students and NSS volunteers. This Gutta, we can see here Mallanna. It is situated a central of the Shivalinga. You can see Chinnaya Swami or Chinmaya Swami. He came from Srisailam and he has done his tapas at Srisailam and he has worshipped Mallikarjuna Swami and went here. And he stayed on this Gutta. So that is why it is called Mallanna Gutta. It is near to the, you can see there, it is near to the Kolluru. Kolluru is it is a large village and it is situated the Nawapet Mandal. And here he stayed. That is first stay. And many around the village people came to